Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Srimad Bhagavatam, 2nd canto, 9th chapter and 7th verse. Nishamya tad vaktra didikshaya desho vilokya tatranayad apashyamanaha swadhishnavastaya vimshaya tadhitam tapasi upadishta ivadade manaha. When he heard the sound, he tried to find the speaker, searching on all sides. But when he was unable to find anyone beside himself, he thought it wise to sit down on his lotus seat firmly and give his attention to the execution of penance as he was instructed. So first thing is that we learn from the example of Brahma is that he took the instruction which he got very, very seriously. And it was not ordinary. He got an instruction to do tapasya, and the tapasya was to intensely meditate on the truth which he doesn't know now. He has not seen the Lord, but is intensely desiring to see the Lord. The same way, we also take to Krishna consciousness. And our Prabhupada used to say, our business is, I want to see Krishna face to face. And then if you want to do that, how much you will be serious? Hare, I'm not able to see Krishna. I'm trying. I'll be more sincere. We've forgotten the goal. And it's okay. Brahma is very eager. That's why they said, no, you can easily get bhakti, but only you need is eagerness. He is intensely eager to see the Lord face to face. He is intensely eager to know the truth in a realized stage. Now he doesn't know anything. And Brahma has been indicated by the Lord by the sound tapa. If you do tapasya, you can realize the truth. So we may know philosophy of Krishna consciousness. No use. You have to realize it. And intense tapasya is needed for it. And it's not coming. Realization is not coming. Wisdom is not coming. Still sense gratification is there. We can see where is the realization. The first realization is that Pajahati yada kama sarva partha manogata. It's a basic realization. All enjoyments are only hallucinations of the mind. We need that. Sthitapagna means realized soul. The first qualification. Atmani evatmana tushtaha. So we want the whole Krishna conscious realized state. What do you need? Tapasya. It's not a joke. Okay? So we need to intensely endeavor in tapasya if you want to realize Krishna consciousness. There are so many things for people to realize in this world. But a devotee wants to realize on the very elements of Krishna consciousness in truth. We are reading. Krishna is there in the Paramatma in the heart. Who has seen it? How to realize it? Not vague. Prabhupada says it's not vague. Just like I am seeing you, we are seeing the Lord face to face. And Bhagavatam is the testimony of so many people who did that. Now Brahma is going to see the Lord face to face. Dhruva Maharaj saw the Lord face to face. Prahlad Maharaj saw the Lord face to face. How many instances are mentioned in the Bhagavatam? Testimonies of the people who saw the Lord face to face. It works, the process works. But all it needs is that we have to be sincere, correct? And if you are introspective, you know that is, my God, where is my advancement? So much work to be done. So what is the process? Tapasya. Tapasya is ornament of a devotee. What is the ornaments of the devotee? The tapasya. And that only is the only reason a devotee is respected is because of tapasya. Okay. So, why does society respect devotees? Just because of dress? What do they do with dress? Tapasya. Correct? What is the difference between us and the public? We are taking medicine, they are not taking medicine. So are we taking medicine? We are declared we are taking medicine. You are not taking medicine. So tapasya is very, very important. And the proof, everything has to be practical and reserved. The proof of tapasya, if it is guided, tapo divyam, it's not whimsical. When there is guided tapasya, it will lead to shuddhaya sattvam ब्रह्मो सौख्यम तो अनंतम. ठीक है. नायम देव देव भाजाम निलोके kashtan kaman arhate vidbhujame. The sense gratification, even pigs get it. Don't work for that. Tapo divyam, do guided tapasya. And what is the result of that? Shuddhet sattvam. Your heart will get purified. And what happens? The heart will get purified? Brahma Sakam Dhanantam. We experience unlimited spiritual happiness. So that is realizations. The soul realizes truth. If you get the truth, you become very happy. That's real truth. Normal truth, mundane truth of this world doesn't make you happiness. Doesn't give you, because truth should make you happy. Truth should liberate you. Truth should make you free. And truth should give you real happiness. That is real truth. Therefore, the word in Ishopanishad, Vidya and Avidya. It looks a shadow. It looks like a Vidya only. But at the end of it, you don't get liberated, you don't get disentangled, and you don't get happiness. What's the use? So it looks like. In this world, everything looks like. Spiritual world is real. Material world is a shadow. In this world, everything looks like that, but substance is not that, including Vidya. You see the body, it looks spiritual, but it is material. It looks spiritual world. Okay? Particularly when somebody's body is shining, for whatever reason he's young or he has put cream, we get bewildered. Correct? Because it looks more like spiritual now. We get completely difficult to handle ourselves. The same way, but it is a shadow. Truth and reality, it's a shadow. Shadow means a real image has to be there. Shadow cannot exist unless a real image is there. So therefore we have shadow of body, therefore there is spiritual body. We have shadow of knowledge, there is real knowledge. So the human life is meant to realize real knowledge. That is human life. Human life is not meant to be wasted. It is meant to realize. And Brahma himself, before speaking, it's easy to speak. He is giving the best example. Example is better than precept. We are the reverse. We speak big, big things, no example. There was one devotee who was telling very nicely. He said, for an instructor, this is very important. He should be very strict with himself and very lenient with others. And we are reverse. We are very lenient with ourselves and very strict with others. Correct? He should be such an example that they feel, oh my God, I should be very merciful. And people say, I'll try to make it up because he's giving a very good example. So Brahma, he's speaking. He gives, the Narada instructs, and he instructs so many places. But Brahma is very strict with himself. His own tapasya is unimaginable in the history. It's very important. That a good example of a tapasya. Then the second point which comes in this purport is what? Brahma got directly instruction of Paramatma. Don't think you are so pure. Brahma ne, Paramatma de denge diksha, koi jarurat nahi to go to any devotee now. We should not imitate Brahma. This is artificial. Imitation is never good. We should know our position. Are we in the position of Brahma? Brahma's position is so exalted. He's the actually, and also there was nobody there at that moment. Who was there? He is the first living entity in this world. And the Lord is there, whom we cannot see now, and he is born. That's it. Nothing else is there. So who will instruct him at this moment? So the Lord gave him an extraordinary mercy that he personally, just like Brahma took birth from where? Lord directly. Now which do we have the privilege direct to take birth from the Lord? We are not. Therefore Brahma is called Swayambhu. Nobody in this world has given birth to him. So he has a special privileges. And actually Prabhupada explained in the purport, generally the most pious living entity which has to take birth in this world is first given birth and given the post of Brahma. And sometimes nobody is qualified. The Lord does an incarnation and personally takes the position of Brahma. Brahma's position is very, very important. So then we have the instruction in the heart coming from Paramatma. Mata Smriti Jnana Vapohanam Cha. The Lord is there in the heart of every living entity to guide him. And then at the same time we have the Guru and we have the Shastra. The Guru, Sadhu, Shastra form the external medium of instruction to us, and Paramatma in the heart is called Chaitya Guru. He is also instructs us. Then how do we discriminate? I got a motivation now. I got inspiration now. I should do something. Check with Guru, Sadhu, Shastra. For us, that's very important. No, I got an idea. The idea may be funny. Sometimes, no, one flower fell, some funny thing like that, and I become so much about it. But actually, what may be fact is, I may be just imagining, correct? check with Guru Sadhu Shastra. Always, suppose you get an idea today, no, I think truth is like this, please check with Guru Sadhu Shastra. Then you are fine. So you get, because when you get an inspiration, we do not know, is it a shadow or the real inspiration? Real inspiration comes from the Paramatma, but the shadow also comes. Not from Paramatma, from the Maya. That gives an inspiration. Do this. It's not, Lord is not at all inspiring that. It's Paramatma. It's coming from the Maya. True, everything is in the control of the Lord, but still, so it has to be checked. When the heart is fully purified and totally surrendered, then the inspiration directly, Krishna says, Prabhupada says, Krishna dictates through the living entity. What is the shloka? Dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Tesham satate yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Tesham satate yuktanam, those who are constantly engaged. Bhajatam priti purvakam. Correct? And they are very favorably engaged in devotion service to the Lord. Constantly. Dadami, Krishna says, I give them knowledge. What kind of knowledge? Yena mam upayantite, by which they come to me. So this wonderful opportunity is there. That the Lord does guide. Sitting in the heart, He guides. Like He guided Brahma, He does guide. But it depends, are we becoming sincere? To the degree you are sincere, to that degree He will take charge. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tam sajam bhavayami. Very nice rule. To the degree, not 0 and 1. It's a grey area. To the degree you become sincere, to that degree Krishna will reciprocate. And He will take charge personally and instruct us. Srila Prabhupada ki.